everybody! I miss you all so much. I hope you're happy, you're healthy, you're safe, and most of all, I hope you're having lots and lots of fun with these art projects. This week's project is all about hats. Do you like mine? I made it myself. I was inspired by this amazing story called I Want My Hat Back by Jon Klassen. I thought it was so great that I wanted to share it with you. When we're done reading this story, you'll be able to see how to make your very own hat. And when you're done with your hat, be sure to take a picture of you wearing it. I can't wait to see it. All right, stick around for a great story and a how-to video on how to make this great hat. Have fun! See you later. I Want My Hat Back by Jon Klassen. My hat is gone. I want it back. Have you seen my hat? No, I haven't seen your hat. Okay, thank you anyway. Have you seen my hat? No, I have not seen any hats around here. Okay, thank you anyway. Have you seen my hat? No. Why are you asking me? I haven't seen it. I haven't seen any hats anywhere. I would not steal a hat. Don't ask me any more questions. Okay, thank you anyway. Have you seen my hat? I haven't seen anything all day. I've been trying to climb this rock. Would you like me to lift you on top of it? Yes, please. Have you seen my hat? I saw a hat once. It was blue and round. My hat doesn't look like that. Thank you anyway. Have you seen my hat? What is a hat? Thank you anyway. Nobody has seen my hat. What if I never see it again? What if nobody ever finds it? My poor hat. I miss it so much. What's the matter? I have lost my hat, and nobody has seen it. What does your hat look like? It is red and pointy and... I have seen my hat. You stole my hat. I love my hat. Excuse me, have you seen a rabbit wearing a hat? No. Why are you asking me? I haven't seen him. I haven't seen any rabbits anywhere. I would not eat a rabbit. Don't ask me any more questions. Okay, thank you anyway. The end. To get started with making our hat, we need a blank white piece of paper. I'm using regular computer paper. We also need markers or crayons or both to color with. If you don't have either of those, you can use a pen or a pencil to create cool line patterns. We're focusing on patterns. What's a pattern, Mrs. L? Well, don't you remember in class? A pattern is something that repeats. So if we use color to make a pattern, we're going to use 3 colors that repeat. Purple, green, blue. Purple, green, and blue. And we use those 3 colors until the whole page is filled up. I like to make stripes, but but you can make whatever kind of pattern you like. I like to make my stripes about the same width of my finger. And then I work super carefully as I color. I like to take my time and make sure I cover every little white space. I'm taking my time and I'm being careful so that my markers don't run out and I can use all the ink that's in them. Now, I'm starting to run out of room on my right side because there's a lamp right next to my arm. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my paper and flip it around. That gives me extra space to move my arm. Now, sometimes if we go a little fast, our markers might start to run out on us. They get a little bit stressed out and they're like, oh my God, I can't keep up with this. You're going too fast. So the best thing to do is just go nice and slow. We have to always be kind to our markers so that they can help us make beautiful art forever and ever and ever and ever. If you're making stripes like I am, and you are also not a robot, then you might find that your stripes are getting a little bit wiggly or they might be curving a little bit. And that is okay, because like I said, you are not a robot. So that means you can't make it absolutely perfect every time. That would be weird. So we're making our stripes however we want. This is our art. What's important here is that we keep our pattern the same. Purple, green, blue. Or if you choose other colors, keep it in the same order. Maybe you're using pink, orange, and blue. Whatever colors you choose, just make sure it's a pattern and it stays in the same order, just like mine. Wow, I'm all finished with my patterned stripes. Now it's time to make a hat. Okay, darlings, now to make this into a hat, we have to take our color side and make it face down on the table. Then we want to fold our paper in quarters. That means we fold it in half and then we fold it in half again. So in order to do that, you hold it so that the long side's on top, and you make the shorter side meet this side of the paper. Hello, nice to meet you. When you line up the edges and the corners, you hold the end, bring your finger right down the middle, and then fold it out to the sides. Now, turn it over again on its side, so the long side is on top. You take the shorter side and you meet this side. But that's not lined up. Line it up. Make it nice and straight. And you're gonna hold this end, bring your finger down, and press that fold in. Gorgeous, darling. Now it's like a book. But we're gonna open it so that there's only one fold here. You want this opening here, hello, you want it to be on the bottom because this is what's gonna go over your head to be your beautiful, lovely hat. So you're gonna take this corner and with this fold, you're gonna line up this top folded side. You're gonna line it up right in the middle. Now remember, the opening has to be on the bottom or else it's not gonna work. So now we take this corner, bring it to meet the other side. Hello, darling, nice to meet you. Remember, we press the middle and go out to the ends. Oh my gosh, it's almost done. I can't wait. So now this opening, we take this little flappy flap, we fold it up, press the middle, and slide your fingers out to each side. Okay, flip it over. We're going to fold this little guy up, press the middle, slide it on out. Oh my goodness, we made a beautiful hat. A beautiful hat. I cannot wait to see what kind of hat you make. Please send me pictures. If you want to add some little beautifulness to it, you can draw like a little line here. You can color it with markers. You can do whatever you want, darlings. It's your hat. I hope no one tries to take it. If they do, you can just teach them how to make their own. All right, everybody. Can't wait to see your hat. Have fun.